The University of New South Wales Design Build Fly team, supported by the School of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, would like to introduce our 2023 aircraft, the Kookaburra. The Kookaburra includes a single nose-mounted tractor engine, a high semi-tapered wing with slight dihedral, a conventional tail configuration, and a tail dragger landing gear. The airframe was primarily designed and manufactured with a plywood structure and monocoque cover film skin to accommodate all avionics and payload while upholding structural efficiency. The wing was constructed with 2 carbon spars, plywood ribs, and a monocoque skin. Components were manufactured using technologies including 3D printing and laser cutting, with a focus on weight, precision, and reliability. The overall maximum takeoff weight of the Kookaburra is 4.3 kilograms, and it has a wingspan of 1,712 millimeters and a wing area of 0.4 meters squared. The Design Build Fly project provides students with a great opportunity to broaden their technical skills, including in aerospace design, weight and balance, computer-aided drawing, manufacturing from hand tool usage through to 3D printing, and electrical componentry and control. Students also develop critical skills in leadership, teamwork, cooperation, and communication that are so valuable to their future as engineers in industry. 2023 Design Build Fly President Akash says, DBF is a close-knit community in which we develop critical engineering and manufacturing skills, and there is nothing more rewarding than watching a finished plane flying with your mates. 2023 Design Build Fly Project Director Phoebe says, we are a society where you can really develop technical skills you wouldn't normally learn in your typical uni course. Knowledge that I've gained from DBF has translated directly into me being more prepared for my internship with Boeing. So come join the team at UNSW Design Build Fly, where we make flight happen.